Bitcoin spot ETFs lose $326 million in largest daily outflow since launch. Andrew Throuvalas last updated, March 20, 2024, 12:21 EDT 2-minute read. Bitcoin ETFs face a challenging market as investors withdraw funds in record numbers. Image by Andrew Throuvalas, DALL-E 3. Bitcoin spot ETFs in the United States are showing signs of waning momentum after Tuesday marked their largest daily net outflow since launch. The 10 funds suffered cumulative outflows worth $326 million or 5,117 BTC in total. That's the second day of outflows in a row after losing $154.4 million or 2,293.1 BTC on Monday. Why are Bitcoin spot ETFs losing money? Outflows came solely from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC on both days, resulting in a loss of $1.086 billion in Bitcoin this week alone. Monday, in particular, was the fund's worst performing day as an ETF, with $642.5 million of assets lost. While the iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, Grayscale's largest competitor, counterbalanced much of GBTC's sell-off with $451.5 million of inflows on Monday, the fund only absorbed $75.2 million on Tuesday, one of its worst performances since launch. Aside from Fidelity and Bitwise, no other Bitcoin ETF saw net inflows. The last time Bitcoin spot ETFs saw 2 net outflow days in a row was shortly after their launch in January, when traders sold the news around their highly anticipated arrival. At the time, Bitcoin's price fell from $49,000 on launch day to $39,000 less than 2 weeks later. Similarly, Bitcoin's price today has retraced from $74,000 last week to $64,000 at writing time after ETF inflows slowed down on Friday. Understanding Grayscale's outflows. On-chain data analysts at Glassnode say that pullbacks of this sort are standard fare for Bitcoin bull markets as long-term holders start to sell their coins once they've accumulated enough paper profits. Since December, Glassnode claims that over 700,000 BTC has left the hands of long-term holders, 60% of which have come from Grayscale. It makes all the sense in the world for the market to pause, correct, and or consolidate here and digest the move, said lead Glassnode analyst James Check on Sunday. Grayscale has yet to experience a single day of net inflows since January 11. While old investors sell their shares at a profit, new Bitcoin investors see no incentive to invest in the fund over newer alternatives that boast much lower management fees. Remember, those people leaving are pre-ETF investors, not new buyers, noted Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas over Twitter on Wednesday. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenshin said in an interview this week that GBTC would lower its management fee over time. The fund has also filed to launch a mini Bitcoin ETF, which experts expect will come with a lower fee than its flagship fund. Follow us on Google News.